I am currently in Okinawa, Japan, just leaving the American Village area and walking down to this right there. I don't know how you say it, but apparently there's a lot of street cats there, and I'm gonna try and go find as many as I can and pet as many as I can. Let's see what we can do. And it's a beautiful day today. Look at the ocean. Super calm. It's a little bit of sunshine, but not too much. And a light breeze. And I think I found our first cat. I don't know if you can see him walking right there. Let's see if he lets me pet him. No, he ran away. Look at him. He went through that little fence. Alright, we'll keep looking. Kitty number one. Hi, little guy. Okay, I don't think he wants to be pet. Let's move on. There's another kitty right there. I have seen cats around, but they're a little bit unreachable. I'm gonna try to find some that I can pet. Hi, kitty. Can I pet you? It's so beautiful out here. I found some kitty food on the ground. Hopefully this will be enough to entice them. 'Well, I was told there were a lot of cats here. I think I saw maybe 4 or 5, and none of them want to be pet, so I was hoping I could pet like 3 to 5 cats today. Sorry to get your hopes up, but you win some, you lose some. Three cats. Look at all of you. Hi, little guy. Hi.
You speak English?
Yeah. Oh, you got
I just came from Dallas, Fort Worth.
Oh, really? Okay.
And my daughter said, Mom, you have to go feed the kitties.
Yeah, I heard there's a lot of cats here. Oh my gosh.
Hi, guys. Look.
So cute.
Oh.
That's smart. I should have brought food with me.
Here.
Oh, really? Oh, thank you so much.
Yes. Look at this yummy stuff, guys. Oh, she's gonna be so happy. I had to get a video.
Yeah. Here.
Oh, I wasn't recording. Are you
Oh,
kidding
really?
me? Here we go.
Oh, sorry. So I spoke too soon. Like 4 cats came out of nowhere, and this nice elderly Japanese couple were feeding them, so I had to wait a bit. But I got to pet one of them and kind of touch 2 of them, so I'm gonna count that as 3. And I met this really nice lady from Dallas Fort Worth, and she gave me some wet treats for cats that she brought from the US. It's so nice of her. So I'm gonna see if I can find any more cats and feed them. It's so cute. You're so cute, aren't you? Is it okay if I pet you? There you go. Hi. guys, I think this is going pretty well now. Good job, you finished it off. Must have been hungry. Alright, I'm gonna squeeze out the rest of this food and then head out.